Good morning, everyone. Today, we're diving into something that affects millions of seniors worldwide: leg cramps and muscle weakness. Whether you're dealing with painful cramps in the middle of the night or struggling to climb stairs during the day, this video is for you. We'll uncover the top superfoods that can help you prevent leg cramps, strengthen your muscles, and improve circulation. And don't worry, we'll also touch on why leg weakness isn't just a normal part of aging. It's a signal that your body might need a little extra care. So grab your coffee or tea and let's get started. If you've ever woken up in the middle of the night with a painful leg cramp, you know how disruptive it can be. Or maybe you've noticed your legs feel weaker and stiffer than they used to. While these issues can happen to anyone, they're particularly common in seniors due to changes in muscle mass, nerve health, and circulation. But here's the good news. You don't have to accept these challenges as inevitable. By making smart dietary choices, staying active, and paying attention to your body's signals, you can improve muscle strength, reduce cramps, and enjoy a more comfortable, independent lifestyle. Before we dive into the science, let's talk about the importance of nutrition. Eggs, bananas, nuts, and seeds are powerhouses of essential vitamins and minerals that can make a real difference. Let's explore how they work together to keep your legs strong and cramp-free. 1. Eggs, the muscle repair superfood. First up, let's talk about eggs. Eggs are often called nature's multivitamin, and for good reason. They're packed with high-quality protein, essential amino acids, and key nutrients like vitamin D and vitamin B12. Protein is critical for muscle repair and maintenance. As we age, we naturally lose muscle mass, a condition known as sarcopenia. Eating eggs can help rebuild muscle fibers, reduce muscle fatigue, and enhance muscle contraction efficiency. One large egg provides about 6 grams of protein, making it an excellent choice for seniors looking to maintain muscle strength. But that's not all. Eggs also contain vitamin D, which plays a vital role in calcium absorption and muscle function. Without enough vitamin D, muscle weakness, cramps, and chronic pain can develop. Many seniors spend less time outdoors, so dietary sources of vitamin D become even more important. Pairing eggs with fortified dairy products, fatty fish, or even a vitamin D supplement can help maintain optimal levels. Vitamin B12 is another superstar nutrient found in eggs. It supports nerve health by protecting the myelin sheath, the protective layer around nerves. When B12 levels are low, nerve signals can become impaired, leading to muscle spasms and cramps. Older adults are more prone to B12 deficiency due to reduced stomach acid production, common medications like metformin, or dietary restrictions. Eggs offer a convenient, easily digestible source of B12, making them a great option for seniors. Now you might be wondering, how many eggs should I eat? Research suggests that moderate egg consumption, around 6 to 7 eggs per week, is safe for most people and doesn't significantly impact cholesterol levels in healthy seniors. However, individuals with heart conditions or high cholesterol should consult their doctor. For those who need to watch their cholesterol, egg whites are a great alternative. In summary, eggs are a powerhouse of muscle-building protein, vitamin D, and B12, all of which play a critical role in preventing leg cramps and improving muscle health. Next, let's look at another nutrient-rich food that works hand-in-hand with eggs to keep your legs strong. 2. Bananas, the electrolyte booster. The second superfood we're highlighting today is bananas. These yellow wonders are loaded with potassium, magnesium, and vitamin B6, 3 essential nutrients for muscle health. Potassium is a key mineral for muscle contractions, nerve signaling, and fluid balance. When potassium levels drop too low, your muscles become more prone to spasms and cramps. A medium-sized banana contains about 420 milligrams of potassium, which is roughly 12% of the recommended daily intake. By maintaining proper potassium levels, bananas help regulate muscle contractions, prevent spasms, and support smooth nerve communication. Magnesium is another crucial mineral for muscle relaxation and nerve function. It helps reduce muscle excitability, preventing sudden cramps and supporting ATP production, the energy needed for muscle contractions. Each banana contains around 32 milligrams of magnesium, contributing to muscle relaxation and improved recovery. Vitamin B6 is equally important. It regulates neurotransmitters that control muscle movements, reduces inflammation, and improves red blood cell production, ensuring your muscles receive the oxygen they need. A single banana provides about 0.4 milligrams of vitamin B6, which covers nearly 30% of the daily requirement for seniors. Nocturnal leg cramps are often linked to electrolyte imbalances, low potassium, or magnesium deficiency. Eating a banana 1 to 2 hours before bed can help relax muscles, reduce cramp intensity, and promote better sleep quality. However, bananas are high in natural sugars, so seniors with diabetes should consume them in moderation and pair them with fiber-rich foods like nuts or whole grains to avoid blood sugar spikes. For optimal hydration and electrolyte balance, it's important to pair bananas with plenty of water. Drinking at least 6 to 8 glasses of water daily is essential, especially when consuming electrolyte-rich foods like bananas. Coconut water is another excellent option, as it contains additional electrolytes. In short, bananas are a delicious and convenient way to replenish potassium, magnesium, and B6, helping you maintain strong, cramp-free legs. Now, let's talk about another group of foods that pack a powerful nutritional punch: nuts and seeds. Our third superfood category is nuts and seeds. These tiny powerhouses are packed with magnesium, potassium, protein, and healthy fats, making them an ideal snack for seniors looking to strengthen their muscles and reduce cramps. Magnesium is particularly important for muscle relaxation and preventing sudden cramps. Pumpkin seeds, almonds, and cashews are some of the best natural sources of magnesium. For example, 1 ounce of pumpkin seeds contains 168 milligrams of magnesium, nearly 40% of your daily needs. Potassium is another mineral found in abundance in nuts and seeds. Pistachios, for instance, are one of the best sources, with 290 milligrams of potassium per ounce. While bananas are often associated with potassium, nuts and seeds provide this essential mineral as well. Electrolytes like magnesium and potassium are lost through sweat, so replenishing them is crucial for muscle recovery and cramp prevention. Nuts and seeds also contain healthy fats, which reduce muscle inflammation and improve circulation. Omega-3 fatty acids, found in walnuts and flax seeds, specifically help reduce muscle inflammation, while monounsaturated fats in almonds and cashews improve circulation, reducing cramp risk. Another benefit of nuts and seeds is their ability to combat chronic inflammation, which can damage muscle tissue and make seniors more prone to cramps and soreness. Antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds in nuts and seeds help reduce oxidative stress and lower inflammation, allowing for faster muscle recovery. To maximize the benefits, seniors should aim for a small handful of nuts or seeds daily, about 20 almonds or 2 tablespoons of seeds. Adding them to meals, snacks, or even spreading almond butter on toast can be an easy way to incorporate them into your diet. The best times to eat nuts and seeds for muscle health are with meals, before bed, and after exercise. Consuming them with meals helps with nutrient absorption and electrolyte balance. Eating them before bed can reduce nighttime leg cramps by keeping muscles relaxed. After exercise, they aid in restoring lost electrolytes and supporting muscle recovery. However, it's important to practice portion control. Nuts and seeds are calorie-dense, so overeating can lead to weight gain. Opt for unsalted, raw, or dry-roasted varieties to avoid excess sodium, which can contribute to dehydration and increase cramp risk. Additionally, individuals with nut allergies should consider alternative sources of magnesium and potassium, such as leafy greens or fortified foods. In conclusion, nuts and seeds are a delicious and nutritious way to support muscle health, reduce inflammation, and prevent cramps. Combined with eggs and bananas, they form a trio of superfoods that can significantly improve your quality of life. 4. Other causes of leg weakness and how to address them. While superfoods like eggs, bananas, and nuts are fantastic for muscle health, it's important to address other factors that contribute to leg weakness. Let's quickly touch on some common causes and solutions. Sarcopenia, muscle loss. As we age, muscle mass naturally decreases. To counteract this, incorporate strength exercises like chair squats, leg lifts, and resistance band workouts into your routine. Protein-rich foods like eggs, lean meats, and legumes are essential for muscle repair. Poor circulation. Peripheral artery disease can cause legs to feel cold, numb, or cramp up when walking. Staying hydrated, reducing salt intake, and engaging in daily walks, even short ones, can help improve circulation. Massages, warm foot soaks, and elevating your legs also provide relief. Nerve damage. Conditions like peripheral neuropathy can cause tingling, numbness, or burning sensations in the legs. Monitoring blood sugar levels, eating a B12-rich diet, and avoiding excessive alcohol can help protect your nerves. Spinal problems. Herniated discs, sciatica, or poor posture can pinch nerves in the spine, causing leg weakness. Gentle back stretches, using a lumbar support cushion, and taking breaks from sitting can alleviate pressure on your lower back. Electrolyte imbalance. Magnesium and potassium deficiencies can lead to sudden leg cramps. Increasing your intake of potassium-rich foods like bananas, oranges, and spinach, and magnesium-rich foods like almonds and dark chocolate can help restore balance. Remember, leg weakness isn't just a normal part of aging, it's a sign that your body needs attention. Start with small changes, like adding eggs, bananas, and nuts to your diet, and gradually incorporate more exercise and hydration into your routine. In this video, we explored the top superfoods, eggs, bananas, and nuts, that can help seniors prevent leg cramps, strengthen muscles, and improve circulation. We also discussed why leg weakness isn't just a normal part of aging, and how addressing underlying issues like sarcopenia, poor circulation, and nerve damage can make a big difference. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and leave a comment below. Let us know what topics you'd like us to cover next. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Stay informed, stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next one.